We are in Chester at a very unique property, installing piling foundations for an extension. We're driving 19 150mm piles to a depth of between 3 and 5 metres. The unique factor on this job being the curved footing connecting the two elements of the house. Once the footing had been made level, we began cutting the steel ring beam down to the correct length, totaling 26.7 metres. We typically use a 500 by 350mm cast reinforced ring beam for extensions. It's now time for concrete. Due to access and the quantity of concrete we needed, a line pump was employed. The concrete grade, like all piling jobs of Rhinos, is C35. This ensures the foundations will be strong and last decades to come. Installation is a combination of our volumetric concrete, line pump and piling teams working together to get the exact right amount as well as the perfect finish. And with that, our customer is officially out of the ground. If you've recently discovered you need piling, give us a call on the number here. We offer a free site visit and quotation for all inquiries.